Hi, my name is Kate Hicks, and I teach flute and recorder with the wonderful company Lesson Face. And today, my introductory lesson to you is about how to make your dog howl. All right, so over here is my dog Napoleon, and he howls when especially he hears the flute. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you do, he doesn't know what I'm going to do. You just walk up to your dog and just start playing. He's warming up. Scales work every time, especially the chromatics. Great reason to do your scales. That's all there is to it. Really easy. Okay, Napoleon. He's having a great time. By the way, it does not hurt his ears. Dogs howl because we're part of the pack, so he's howling with the wolves. Last time, let's try it again. Okay, join me on Lesson Face. We can have a lot of fun lessons on the flute and recorder. I also, from time to time, have a recorder fun lessons for kids. Look that up. And okay, guys, enjoy, get a dog, play your scales, and watch the fun happen. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye.